I'm Jeremy Fisher, and in this tutorial we're looking at the John Prine song In Spite of Ourselves. And I'm going to show you the little intro that is fingerpicked. It's actually pretty challenging. I would put it on a, high, intermediate to advanced level of fingerpicking because we're playing the melody and the chords at the same time. And often in these tutorials, I'll describe exactly what I'm doing, I'll talk a lot, but I thought in this one, what I would try to do is just slow it way down. But I'm gonna give you a little tip right out of the gate, and that is that I'm gonna plant my index finger on the 3rd string, my middle finger on the 2nd string, and my ring finger on the 3rd string. So anytime I'm playing the melody notes in the left hand, I'm plucking them with one of those fingers. So if anything I'm playing on the 1st string, I'm always playing with the ring finger. 2nd string, it's always the middle. And 3rd string, it's always the 1st finger, okay? It just is easier, I think, for my brain to keep track of things if I'm not moving these fingers around. And then my thumb, of course, is alternating between the 5th and 6th string or the 4th and the 6th string. Or the 6th and the 4th string, as it were. I'm gonna start by showing you just the thumb pattern, nice and slow, and then I'll show you the melody, and then I'll show it to you together. And the chord symbols will be here to help you along, but I'm gonna keep my mouth shut so there's just not too much going on. All right, here's the thumb picking pattern, just the thumb starting on a C chord. All right, now we're gonna look at the melody. If you're wondering why I'm playing that F chord with my thumb, when I'm finger picking, I'm almost always playing bar chords on the 6th string with my thumb because it gives me an extra finger here to fret melodies with. Okay, so just the melody this time. The melody looks like this. Now let's put the two together nice and slow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go down to the little settings in the bottom if you want it even slower, and you can put it to half speed or quarter speed or 3/4 speed. Or if I'm going too slow, you can speed it up if you want. So here we are, nice and slow, no talking, just looking at what's happening here with the melody and the chords together. If you want to play along at speed, you can go back to the beginning where I play through the whole part. Let me just quickly go over the other chords. The rest of the time, there are 2 guitars playing, one's strumming and one's finger picking. And the chords for the verse are C, F, C, G, and that's the verse. The chorus then goes to an F. to a C. And it's just a standard Travis picking pattern. G, C. You can alternate bass there on the C chord. G. Anyway, those are all the chords. The most important or funnest part of learning this song, I think, is that fingerpicking melody. Thanks a lot for following along today. If you're looking for more tutorials or to connect with me personally, please visit patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic. I'd like to thank my patrons very much for supporting this channel and making these tutorials possible. You can give a thumbs up, you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you back here soon for another music tutorial.